Until we meet again, I'll always remember your smile. Until we meet again, I'll keep your memory alive. Until we meet again, I'll never forget the good times we had together. Until we meet again, I'll always remember your smile. Until we meet again, I'll keep your memory alive. Until we meet again, I'll never forget the good time we had together. Early in the morning, I'm mourning, wishing you wasn't gone. Never had to move on to the next life. It's hard to cope, trying to stay afloat. Couldn't even write a song. Life goes on, but it's going on without you, dog. Now what am I to do? I done lost my best friend. About to drown my pain in this part of the gin. We was in it to win until we meet again. You will always be a part of me. Prayer to the Lord that you resting in peace. Lord, please can you send some peace on these streets? Cause where I'm living at, the murder rate increase. And every day my mother, she out here dying slow. Will she wake up in the morning? I don't know. Who are my family that's out here caught up in this case? We gon' have to break it down, see it face to face. Gotta take the good with the bad, happy with the sad. Black on black crime gets me mad, but what am I to do? I'm only one man, trapped in this wicked land. Until we meet again, I'm sticking to the plan. Tears falling on my eyes, got me going crazy. They done shot shorty and killed her baby. What am I to do? Trapped up in this world. Until we meet again, I'll always remember your smile. Until we meet again, I'll keep your memory alive. Until we meet again, I'll never forget the good times we had together. Until we meet again, I'll always remember your smile. Until we meet again, I'll keep your memory alive. Gene, Quincy, Triller, Jose, Love, Theo, Bleed, Antoine, Robert, and Lil Mike, Animal, Tasha, and Shay, Lil Jordan, Moose, and Spider, and Uncle Pete, Cold Joe, Return, Bertie, Aunt Jean, and Uncle Paul, Ocean Mon, Ivy, Kitty Gotti, Lucky Gap, Daryl Hall, and Batman, Stanley, Stanley May, my nigga Paul, Crystal, Petey, Jordan, and Crackhead Gene, Clutch, Rap, Miss Butler, and Benny, Uncle Giles, Skinny, Greg, Blackface, and Rebel Core, Fred, Chris, Pumpkin, Ben Bone, Keontae should have been home. Jimmy Williams, L. Mac, Fat, Island Hall, Ricky, Rocket, Fat Head, MacGyver, and the Rubber Stones. I'll always remember your smile. Until we meet again, I'll keep your memory alive. Until we meet again, I'll never forget the good times we had together. Until we meet again.
One love, one heart, one soul, one mind. We must come together and do our thing as a family, man. We must not put up with nothing, man. No, man. Never forget, never give up. Blood fire.